Alright, what is going on, everybody? Back again with some more breaks. Some of you guys knew that I got a case of NXT 2019. I was looking pretty forward to it with the new checklist. A lot of first-time signers. Got a hookup with one of my buddies who does breaks. Shout out to Mikey B for purchasing the case for me, or selling it to me at a better rate. I did break one of the boxes at his house when I went to pick it up, just to kind of show him what it looked like, to see if he might be interested in breaking it at some point. So I'll show you what I hit. This one is the Kushida, makes his NXT debut, 41 of 50 blue parallel. I got a 4 of 10, Aleister Black. NXT champion Aleister Black defeats Lars Sullivan. Got an Otis auto. And a Walter, numbered 17 of 50. Looks like it's signed that way a little bit. John, one of my friends, did warn me that his autograph wasn't the best, but it was still one I wanted to have, so happy to pull it. And now, this is technically box number 2, but it's box number 1 that I'll be recording. So here we go. Definitely would like to hit Matt Riddle, Tony Storm, wouldn't mind a Damian Priest or a Dijakovic, but anything will do. Some nice Kiss cards in this set, as well as the Johnny and Candice wrestling dual autograph would be very cool. It's pack number 1 here. We got some base, there's Dream. Bronze Heavy Machinery defeats Forgotten Sons. I thought this was red in the first box because of her background, but that's just her running her Royal Rumble entrance. Definitely, I think the price point on this is pretty good this year for 2 guaranteed autographs. Matt and the guys were talking earlier that the price point is pretty spot on with some of their other products, but it guarantees you 2 autos. This one's a 47 of 50. Ricochet defeats Adam Cole for the North American Championship. So that's cool. Then we had Vanessa Bourne and Mia Yim. But yeah, I just think the breaking it down from a 10 auto box to now a 2 auto box for a third of what the price at least started out at is so much better. Lars Sullivan defeats EC3 bronze, Kyle O'Reilly, and the Limitless Keith Lee. So with that being said, and then the checklist being fairly strong, I've decided to go for a case. Usually not something I would do, not something I would rip, being that there's no Ruby in this stuff, but first NXT of Chelsea Green and Angelo Dawkins. But a lot of the first-time signers I have a feeling are going to do well. Speaking of first-time signer, there's a Matt Riddle first NXT on the back. He did sign for UFC when he was there, so, but first NXT autograph is going to be here. I'd love to pair, I do have the first UFC auto. I shouldn't say first because it's not technically considered a first, but I would love to pair his first NXT with that first NXT auto. Ciampa, nice one there of British Strong Style. Another one of Peter Dune. Got Mauro Ranallo and Trent Seven. That's a great picture there. I'm mixing up my stacks on the side already. I'm only halfway, not even halfway through. Kushida, Aleister Black, EC3 defeats Bobby Fish. Got Shayna and Oni. It's too bad EC3 couldn't get sent back to NXT here. Don't even know what the poor dude's doing right now. There's Kushida's first NXT. Then we got Dakota Kai. Adam Cole. Another Pete Dunne. EC3 defeats Adam Cole. Aaliyah and Wesley Blake. I know that the Forgotten Sons do have a triple autograph in this. I know one has been pulled, I saw on a Facebook group. Wouldn't be my favorite card to hit, but wouldn't complain with a triple. There's Kathy Kelly and Fabian Eichner. Last pack of the first half. Toni Storm there on the back. Definitely wouldn't mind her autograph. EC3, there's a Marina Shafir and a Toni Storm. I'm surprised Rhea Ripley isn't in this set. She would have been another good one to have. Hopefully sometime soon. There's a Matt Riddle defeats Roderick Strong. And this one was kind of fitting. I enjoyed that he made the set. Jordan Miles, first NXT, and a Riddick Moss. Aleister Black defeats Gargano. Matt Riddle, and there is a bronze Adam Cole baybay on-card autograph, 64 of 99. Not a bad one at all. Got Marcel Barthol and Casey Catanzaro, first NXT. Saw a one-of-one printing plate that a Twitter friend, Amy, pulled of Adam Cole. The inscriptions that he put on that thing were so cool. He definitely goes about it signing the right way. I know in Undisputed 18 he put baybay inscriptions on some. Most of the lower numbered stuff, but I do recall seeing some out of 99s were signed that way. Damian Priest, another one who has a first signature in this set. Velveteen Dream defeats Cassius Ohno. Ricochet, Keith Lee, Adam Cole bronze, Io Shirai, and a Zia Lee. Both of those are first NXTs. Got Keith Lee again, Ciampa. There's the Lorenzos. Right there's Matt by my thumb. Joe turned around, and then Alex. So that's cool. So I'm going to set that one aside. Jessie Camilla, first NXT. Not even familiar with her. Ricochet. Got the Undisputed Era. Missed Bobby on this past episode. Hopefully he gets better. And correct me if I'm wrong, but was this guy not billed under this name when he made his debut? And if it was, why do I not remember that? But interesting, he got a first NXT as well. Oh, okay. Not a bad box. Pete Dunne, autograph. He likes to draw a lot of lines. Adam Cole and Pete Dunne. Now, I did get 2 parallels in that first box I ripped off camera, so let's see what else might be hiding in here. There's a Jessamine Duke. First NXT, Johnny Gargano. 3 more packs left. Keith Lee, Walter. Imperium comes to blow the British strong style. Comes to blows with the okay. Raul Mendoza and Tyler Bate. Tommaso, the Viking Raiders, known as the War Raiders during their time there. There's a Walter, first NXT, and a Montez. EC3 defeats Kona Reeves, Ricochet, Forgotten Sons, Viking Raiders, Aleister Black, Jackson Riker, first NXT, and a Dijakovic, first NXT. So just 1 parallel in that box, but definitely happy with the Adam Cole and Peter Dunne. So yeah, stay tuned for box number 2.